Hello, welcome to my studio. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. Today, I am talking about a brand new thing we have never done before. A company came to me and asked me if they wanted to build a website out for us. I was like, no, you know what? Yes, we are building a amazing platform for you guys to be able to sell your projects. I am so excited. I was gonna launch January 1st, 2025, but I was like, I don't wanna do this alone. I wanna have them be a part of it. So I am launching mid-November, which will give us a month and a half to open this up to anyone who wants to join us long-term. Founding sellers, guess what? This is for you. You guys literally are going to get locked in at $15 a month. You guys get to be a part of naming our site and adding features to our site. We've already tried to think of as many features as we can that we think would be so beneficial for you as DIY sellers, but that doesn't mean that we got them all. I want to make sure that you're getting what you want, but I really want to emphasize community, obviously. But we also made a $3 membership in case you're just that person who's like, I just want to sell like one or two things here and there. I'm having a store too, guys, but I have a huge project that I'm putting in my store. It's my little baby I'm working on right now, but it is my product that I'm gonna be putting in my store. So let's chat about what new features we have that we are adding to our platform that other platforms don't have. This is gonna be a collaborative space. I'm gonna be able to see your guys' products firsthand and how well they sell. I'm also gonna be able to promote your products, purchase your products for videos and gift ideas. We do not have no listing fees. We don't have any listing fees. It means if you have thousands of projects or just 10 projects, you don't have to pay to list them. You can just list them. Okay, I know you guys love the Zooms. Zooms are back on Wednesdays. For November and December, our Zooms are going to consist of bringing all the ideas, bring all the stuff you guys want me to add, and that's where we're gonna collaborate. In January though, those Zooms are going to turn into me really coaching you guys, looking through your guys' products, making sure that they're really good, your photos are really good, all the things are really good. You are gonna be able to go live, and your lives can integrate straight into your social medias, and your checkout buttons are gonna be on whatever social media platform that person is watching from. That means you can do one live. You could be streaming to Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all at the same time, and all three are able to check out without you having to do anything else. They literally can just click buy now and it is theirs, and it checks them out with our website. You don't have to do any of the work except ship the project. We also are going to be able to list digital products soon. You get access to our membership if you become a seller, whether you're a founding seller or you're a seller after the first. You get access to my business membership if you're a seller. We're gonna work together to create the community, to build it and make it bigger. But we're gonna have a specific area where people can request custom things and you guys can bid on them. Another perk is that our live stream can work together. You can literally invite multiple people into your live, and so you can be live on YouTube, live on Facebook, live on Instagram, all at the same time, building each other's communities up, and you can work with people that don't compete with your product, and you guys can both bring people awareness of your store. It's gonna be so fun. And I will also go live with anybody who wants to go live with me. I will promote your guys' products, and it's not necessarily a perk, but it is definitely a plus, and it's something that I've had on my heart for a very long time. I'm going to hire more designers for AuntieTay.com, and I'm also gonna give to more charities. And as I am filming this right now, it is Orphan Sunday, and it's kind of killing me that I'm not doing anything for Orphan Sunday this year. So as I get more sellers, add more and more charities to what we do as a community. Soft launch starts today. Join now, link is in the description. I will have to approve you as a seller. Be patient because I'll be approving sellers for the next couple days. I cannot wait. You can start listing right away and you can bring people to shop right away as well if you are a founding seller. So I will also be getting you access to the Auntie Tay business membership as soon as you guys sign up too. So give us a couple days. We're getting this rhythm down, but that is a part of being a founding seller is you are also helping us, kind of like a beta group. If you're already a member and you want to cancel and sign up so that we can put you back in the membership, message us through the member porthole. I will put a link right to the portal right here, but you won't have access to this unless you're a member and you're actually signed into our website. If you become a seller and you've never been a member, we will be getting you access to the membership. You can use all of our files to sell stuff with. Welcome to the new platform. Let's name it. I will see you guys on Wednesday if you're a founding seller. If not, I will see you guys on the internet all over the place because I'm back for good. That's about it.